What's everyone doing today? So today we're just doing another recap of the trades that we just did on our second trading day for the year. So far we're up 243,640. Yesterday we made about 162, 120. And then today, yesterday was a beautiful day, you know. We didn't have any losses. I did have total of 21 trades. We traded 6 times, and then I was doing average up as the market was pushing higher, lower, you know. I was scalping it. And then today we made we did 2 losses, 3 break even, and then 1 win right here. So we did about 6 trades and we made about 81. So that puts us to 243,640 so far for the year. So we're just doing a quick recap of how I entered the trades, you know. So let's start right here. So market opened today and we actually had some heavy news. We had some PMI reporting, manufacturing PMI. So market was, you know, pretty volatile. So if you look at here, this was the first trade that I did. So like I said, how do you define how do you figure out if you're doing a buy or sell? So like I mentioned, I use a DOA strategy, my own trading strategy. So you pull up your confirmations. So as you can see, this one right here, I tried to scalp it. It was actually above this area in the 1 minute. So my entry was around this area. So, and this thing was the reaction from the news. As you can see, 9 a.m. News started at 9 a.m. And, you know, I lost that one. So we lost that one here. I was gonna move it at break even, but you know, I got kind of greedy market, and the market moved fast, so it stopped me out right away. And then the next entry we did a sell. Let me just show you the confirmations first. So if you look at the structure, it's going down. So right after it started firing red and it's below the EMAs, the meter was red. So at that point, only look for sells. So what I did here, I moved down to 1 minute and I started scalping the sells. So every rejection. So if you're checking the confirmations, the structure in the higher time frame using the strategy, once you figure out if it's going to go up or down, let's say this one is down because the whole thing is red, meter is red, sniper is red under EMA. So everything you're looking for is sells. And then 1 minute, you just look. Let's clean this up. So 1 minute was pretty much we're looking for sales. So this second trade that we had, we actually entered here, and this one, as you can see, this one got rejected and retested here. It stopped me out to break even, this one. And then the next one finally broke this level, and then we entered here in this retest and it pulled back. That one stopped me out right here at break even as well. We're here. Then the third one entered 38.26 around this area. 38.26. Where's that? 38.26. So that's it was right here. So this one moved. So right here, we broke this area here. When I saw this red candlestick, I entered here. Like I said, 5 minutes is still bearish because everything's still red. Right here. And it's still under the EMA's. Meter was still red. So let's go back to 1 minute. See, this one started firing, entered here, and then when it was down here, it was about to break. I moved my stop loss at break even here, and then as this candle starts pushing up, it stopped me at the break even too. So that one's a break even too. So you can see that's the third break even, and then we had I tried it again one more time, the next sell. So like I said, I was just scalping under 1 minute. So these ones you can see 5 minutes is still red. This right here, and then entered around this area. So I got sales on this one because we get rejected here. I thought this was a double top, and then he broke this higher lows here, so I got sales here. But then I jumped in too early on this one, so I lost this one. I lost about, where's that? Yeah, I lost about, yeah, 13 or 15 on that one. This one was the first loss, the buy. And then where we at? And then I waited for the market to totally, you know, finish the. Well, actually, I saw a rising wedge here too. That's why I started getting sales. This one. So I didn't wait for a breakout. So this one looks like it was breaking too earlier, and I was too hasty, and I lost that one. But then this is where we banked. We made all our losses back plus profit. So I entered the buy here around this area. It was around this area when I entered buy. So you can see we started creating a nice impulsive wave. This one right here. And then we created a nice squeeze pennant here. So we had the lower highs, and then after it started breaking, I was like, I started checking for confirmations, and then so you can see green arrow and meter was green the whole time. So if you do a replay all the way here, so you can see it started firing green above the EMAs, meter was green. Go 1 minute, so you can see so you don't pay attention on this. Like I said, 5 minutes, you check the bigger time frame. So what's bigger than 1 minute is 5 minutes. So I base the trend in the 5 minutes, then I enter in 1 minute for sniper entry. So when it started breaking this, the 1 minute, boom, I entered on this retest right here. As you can see, that's 43, 38, 43, 6. I alerted that 38, 43, 82. So with the spread, it filled me about 82. But as you can see, that's still the retest area. And then, we rode that thing. Boom, boom, boom. Need a little pullback. And I told the team, market is still going right now. It's only 11:17 a.m. Market closed at 3 p.m. here. Then boom, it hit the target. My original target was this one, 38.85 again. And I took profit right here because I have a flight to catch in like 2 hours. So as you can see here, I said that SPX take profit or remove stop loss until FOMC. I'll be on a plane during FOMC, so I'm securing the profit here. So as you can see, I took profit around 165. I mean 38.65, around this area. If you look at the live market right now, we're probably gonna hit their target. Alright, so right now it's still consolidating actually. Market is if you got in on this one, I told my team right here. So we got in on there, that area, move the stop loss at break even here. Then you can ride it until FOMC. We're deep in profits. I told the team that. So if you trail it all the way here, FOMC, I think we can push on FOMC. That's why I told them to keep holding it, because I see SPY hitting $3,900 today if the FOMC is positive, if we push in the market. So if you look at the confirmation again, 5 minutes is still holding. Everything's still holding green. Right now it's firing red, so possible pullback because it's lunchtime anyway. So there it is, guys. That's how I entered my trades today. Today's January 4th, our second trading day for the year, and I'm probably not gonna trade Friday. I'm gonna take a break, and the challenge is starting next week, January 9th. We're starting with $100, so that one is gonna be connected to my account, on my other $100 challenge account. Alright guys, great job today. Thank you.